Hello everyone, I'm Jeffrey Chiu. So as like MC introduced just now, I'm graduated in food nutrition at USM. So one of my major product development is about the natural sport drink, something like the XS, but I'm using the natural sources, which is the sugar cane to make the natural sport drink. So here is something about my background. So first of all, I would like to thank my upline, Nick Chua, Ping Yi, Ping Ru, Mr. Liao, and ECVI for giving me the opportunity to give a sharing with you guys. So today I would like to share with you a good newly launched product from Nutrilite. So today I will share with you about our new product, Botanical Beverage Mix Acerola with Licorice and Turmeric. So this is our new product. So first of all, I would like to share with you guys what is the hottest topic in Malaysia nowadays. It's about COVID-19. So from the youngest to oldest, everyone is talking about the COVID-19. So from last year, the daily cases from few thousand until today is few hundred until today is few thousand. We can see that there are a lot of active cases in Malaysia. Means that the number of infected people of COVID-19 is very high in Malaysia. So until today, it's around 48,000 of the active cases in Malaysia. So everyone know about COVID-19. Everyone know about coronavirus. But do you know that how the coronavirus affecting our body? How the coronavirus affecting our health, and also how coronavirus become a serious disease? So today I would like to share with you guys a simple flowchart on how the coronavirus causing the bad effect on our body. So first of all, the coronavirus will enter our lung through the droplet, which is a very small particle, will enter our lung. So after enter our lung, it will start to infect and damage the cell lining around our air sac, around the lung, the small bubble. So as it is infected, it will start to multiply. So as it is multiplied, it will trigger the immune reaction from our body. So our body will start to have the immune reaction, which is inflammation. So when our inflammation is started, the fluid will start to accumulate in the lung tissue. So once the fluid is accumulated, so it will become thicker. After thicker, then the oxygen cannot be transferred between the air sac to our blood, so that all the patients suffering from COVID-19 will have the shortness of the oxygen, which is cannot breathe. Then our body cannot get enough of oxygen. Then slowly our organ will be affected. So here is how the coronavirus affecting our body. So if we know that how is the flow of the coronavirus affecting our body, now we can know how can we stop at each step to control the bad effect. So first of all, we need to stop the coronavirus enter our body. So we need to wash our hand, wear the mask. After that, second is we need to have a strong immune system, because if we have the strong immune system, everything like pathogen, the virus, the bacteria go into our body will send the army. Our immune system will go to fight with those things. So we won't be affected if we have the strong immune system. Then the third one is we want to try to reduce the inflammation reaction in our body. So once the inflammation is reduced, the oxygen can be transferring between the air sac to our blood. Then the fourth one is we need to maintain the healthy respiratory of the airway. Means that the oxygen can be consistently supplied to our body. So here is the fourth thing we can do to prevent the COVID-19 or coronavirus affecting our body. So here is what I said just now. Strong immune system, reduce the inflammation, and maintain the respiratory health. So let us see what is the symptom, or any one of us are having the symptom of weakened immune system. Actually, if everyone in a room, in the same room, so those who are strong immune system, might not be affected by the COVID-19, but those who are weakened in immune system, the virus go into their body will directly get infected. So here is some symptoms. We can do a quickly checkup. Is it we are one of them? So first is frequently get cold or flu or fever. Means that every bacteria go into our body, we will get affected. So that we will get cold, get flu and fever. The second one is fatigue, means that we are get tired easily. Even we sleep for around 6 to 8 hours per day, but we still very tired. Then maybe we are weakened immune system. Then the third one is asthma, including those food allergic. So we can see that some people are very easily to get food allergic. So this allergic actually is due to our weakening of our immune system. So when we eat certain food, especially protein from the seafood, then our body or our immune system thought that is a bad thing. So it starts to trigger those immune reaction to our body. So this is how the food allergy come from. Then another one is poor recovery after exercise. Then high blood sugar, troubling wake up in the morning means they are very tired. Constipation, food sensitive, trouble in sleeping, skin condition, for example, skin allergic. These all are about the weakening of immune system because the skin actually is our first barrier of immune system. So the skin will protect us from the pathogen and also bacteria go into our body. So if our skin don't have the good condition, it may due to the weakening of immune system. So here is some tips on how to strengthen our immune system. First, it's very obvious. We are what we are eating. So firstly, we need to maintain a balanced diet. So how to define a balanced diet? It must be contain 7 essential nutrients, which is carbo, fat, good fats, and also protein, vitamin, mineral, fiber, and water. So we need to eat 7 essential of the nutrients and phytonutrients. So including 8 type of the nutrient we must have every day to maintain our immune system. So second, get enough of the rest. So rest around 6 to 8 hours, then exercise, then get hydrated. So this water is depending on individual. Some people who are heavy physical activity need to drink more water. For example, men need more water than women. Okay, so here is the tips on how to strengthen our immune system. But the main thing is it we eat the food having the nutrient which is sufficient? Means that is it we are eating right? And also, is it the right nutrient at the sufficient level? So this one is very important. Some people thought that we need to eat right, eat the right thing, but the amount of the portion sometimes is might not be sufficient. So this month, Nutrilite launched a new product, which is Botanical Beverage mix Acerola with Licorice and Turmeric. So this one is combine the Western and also the Eastern technology. So the 3 main ingredient is turmeric, licorice, and Acerola cherry. Turmeric and licorice is from the from the Eastern, sorry. So since very long time ago, turmeric is used in the Malay and also the India culture in the cooking. So the turmeric is help to reduce the body inflammation, and also it helps to like treat some symptoms, for example, running nose. Okay, so licorice is used in Chinese medicine. Licorice is used to detox to remove those toxic in our body, and also uh, to reduce the heat. For example, the fever, then Chinese medicine will use licorice to reduce the heat, and also it will help to heal the ulcer in Chinese medicine. So Acerola cherry, I think every one of you know it because it's very high in vitamin C and also high in antioxidant. So in this product, we combine these 3 main ingredients to make into a product which can be helpful in fighting against the coronavirus. So we can see that actually the herbs, the traditional herbs are recognized in Malaysia. We can see that in Malaysia, Kementerian Kesihatan Malaysia recognize that there is a department or division called traditional and complementary medicine. So, for example, acupuncture, also chiropractic medicine, also Malay medicine, Chinese, and Ayurveda, which is Hindu. So nowadays, actually, they start to combine this traditional and complementary medicine into the Western treatment to achieve a synergy effect in our body. So just now I mentioned about the product, the nutrient-like product, the Botanical Beverage. The name is very long. So actually, this product, since last year, the COVID-19 is very serious in China. Then we start to have the research actually. So this research showed that the combination of vitamin C, curcumin, and glycyrrhizin acid is effective to regulate our immune system. In another word, is that these three things is effective to against the COVID-19 disease. So there is a research proven that. So in this research article, you guys can search online. There are full article freely accessed online. So I summarize the four main points for you guys. This article show that the combination of vitamin C, curcumin, and glyceric acid is effective to regulate immune system, anti-inflammation, antioxidant, oxidation, and flu prevention. So they show that it's very effective in these four aspects. So here now we are looking at our main ingredient. First of all is the turmeric. So the turmeric, the active ingredient is curcumin. So this curcumin make the turmeric so good in our medicine. Okay. So the main three is benefit from the turmeric is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial. So research show that there is a research show that if we consume the turmeric which contain curcumin, it will increase the antioxidant in our body around 70%. Means that the antioxidant in our body can be enhanced and increased after consume the turmeric. Okay, but the problem is that we can consume a lot of turmeric in our daily food, it is impossible because the curcumin bioavailability is very low in turmeric, and we can't eat a lot of turmeric in our daily food. So Nutrilite use the micro encapsulation technology to increase the bioavailability by around 10 times, so that we can consume and get enough of the curcumin in the turmeric through our Nutrilite new product. Okay, so the second ingredient is licorice. So inside the licorice, the active ingredient is glycyrrhizin acid. So we call GA. This GA have the property which are anti-inflammatory and strengthen our immune system. So there is a research so that you guys can try to Google this research paper. So this research paper show that actually this GA, glycyrrhizin acid, is very effective against the SARS or coronavirus. So this is well proven that. So that's why we are combined with the licorice in our new product. Then the last one is everyone very familiar with, which is Acerola cherry. So actually Acerola cherry, it contains vitamin C and a lot of antioxidant, which is flavonoid and carotenoid phenolics. So this Acerola cherry is helped to strengthen our immune system against the pathogen. Just like I said that if our immune system is strong enough, then we can prevent and also to stop the pathogen, the virus or the bacteria to go into our body. So Acerola cherry is helped to strengthen the immune system. Then second is prevent the respiratory and systemic infection. So a lot of people say, Jeffrey, I'm eating orange every day. But the problem is that we get the sufficient amount of the vitamin C. So we can see that every 100 grams of the Acerola cherry, it contains 1.5 grams of vitamin C. But in orange, 100 grams of the orange just contain 0.05 grams of vitamin C. In another word is that the Acerola cherry contains 30 times higher vitamin C compared to orange. So that's why we are choosing Acerola cherry as our main ingredient in our Nutrilite product. So the last one, this is the last slide. I want to summarize about this product. Actually, this product, I tried it since it is launched. So at the first time, I will start to suspect and very curious what is the sensory taste because I'm from the food nutrition background. We are very concerned about the sensory. Is it this thing can be accepted by the consumer or not? So after I consume it, after I drink it, the taste is amazing. It's very nice. It is citrus flavor. It's something like oranges, but it don't have the turmeric smell because I think a lot of people scared or worried the smell will be too strong. Actually, they don't have this problem. It's very good taste. So this one is the triple booster for better airway. So this airway, another word, is stand from anti-inflammatory, immunity, and respiratory health. This three things is the one just now I mentioned at the beginning. We need to do when we want to fight against the COVID-19 or coronavirus. So inside a sachet, we have the vitamin C around 100 mg, turmeric extract around 300 mg, licorice around 300 mg as well. So this product is very effective for us to strengthen our immune system and to reduce our body inflammation. So this is very good for us to get it and consume it during this period, which is very serious of the COVID-19 infection around our society. So we need to get protected. So this product is very good to help us to get protected and to avoid and prevent us to get infected. Cannot say prevent, but at least it will help to increase our immunity and also to reduce the inflammatory in our body. Okay, so here is the sharing about our new product, a botanical beverage mix Acerola cherry with licorice and turmeric. So I will pass the mic to the MC. So thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Jeffrey, for that amazing sharing. Didn't we learn a lot? I didn't lie to you when I said you need to have your notebook and pen around because this is a lot of information to take in. And also on top of that, of how coronavirus actually works inside our body and how it attacks our immune system, that is a new information to me. And like I said, we have learned a lot today, right? Yeah. I think, yeah. All right, so the sharing of the screen is done. There was a question on one of the participants just now asking what is meant by poor exercise recovery mentioned in the slides just now. Maybe I can invite Mr. Jeffrey again.
Okay, poor recovery is something like some people were suffering from the muscle pain. So normal people will take around 2 to 3 days to recover. But some people who are weakened in immune system, they might take around 1 week to fully recover. So here is one symptom we can see that. Okay.
Thank you so much again. Another question here. Maybe we can take another one. Okay. So is there any contraindications to take this product? Like if a person has dialysis patient, they are low in immunity, can they also take this?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
Is there any contradictions to taking this product, such as a dialysis patient? If they are low in immunity, can they take this product too?
Okay, actually, this product from the natural sources, everyone can consume it. But for those chronic disease, we still recommend you to consult your doctor before take it for safety purpose. But what I can say that our product is from natural sources and it is safe for everyone, unless you are having some special or chronic disease.
Noted on that. Thank you so much again.